How's it going, folks? Today we're talking about a tea tree foot powder recipe for athlete's foot. This easy-to-make foot powder combines baking soda and tea tree essential oil to help fight foot fungus, keep your feet dry, and prevent future infections. Use it along with other treatments for the best results. What you'll need is 1 cup of baking soda and 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Start mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the baking soda with 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. Use a whisk or fork to mix it well. Step 2. Add more oil. Add another 5 drops of tea tree essential oil and mix again until evenly blended. Step 3. Repeat. Keep adding 5 drops at a time, mixing after each addition, until you've used all 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Step 4. Transfer to a shaker. Use a funnel to pour the foot powder into a labeled sugar shaker or similar container. How to use it? Sprinkle the powder generously inside your socks and shoes before wearing them. After showering, apply the powder to your feet and between your toes. Use once or twice a day for the best results. Storage tip. Keep the powder in a cool, dry place to maintain its effectiveness. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.